everyone, how are you? This is just a quick update on my romantic bracelet. Remember? I published it the other day. The tutorial, I mean. uh, so this update is because two ladies have asked me with what beads they could substitute the Miyuki drops in this pattern. So I have uh, tried a couple of things, and I think the 8 O's are the best substitute for the drop beads. So I have just moved a few beads around, and I'll show you now what I did and what I think you should do to change to substitute, I mean the drop beads. Oh yes, I almost forgot. You can find the link for the full tutorial in the description of this video. Okay, so let's see what I did. Okay, so this is how it looks. I have changed here the beads and here. As you remember, the connections were made of 11 O's, 8 O's and the drop bead, and here are only made with the 8 O's. And these beads here were the 2 8 O's and one drop bead in the middle. And here I have one 11 O, one 8 O, 8 O, 8 O and 11 O. So this is just a shiny 8 O here. Okay, so let me show you. So in the original pattern we were exiting from this 11 O. We will still be adding because we will do this part in two steps. We first add the central 8 O's and then the two 11 O's. So to add the three 8 O's, we will be exiting from the 11 O here. So I'm going to pick up one matte 8 O, one shiny 8 O and another matte. And just like before, I'm going to pass through the 11 O here. I'm going to skip the 4 millimeter and pass through the following 11 O. And then continue through the beads to reach the other side. And pick the same bead up. So I have one 8 O matte, one shiny 8 O and another matte 8 O. And just like before, I will skip the 4 millimeter and go through the following 11 O and then through the following beads. And I will now add my connection, and my connection is made of one matte 8 O, one shiny 8 O, one matte 8 O, three matte 8 O's, and then one shiny and one matte. Okay, these are all 8 O's. And we'll go through this same 8 O here. And then I will go around and skip the shiny seed beads. Okay, so this is my connection, my new connection. And then I will go through the beads here and we'll exit from the 4 millimeter bead, the round bead, yeah? So I'm going to pick up one 11 O and go through the three 8 O's here. Okay, and then again 111/0 and go directly through the 4 mm. And this is how it looks. Because if, yeah, you could leave it like this if you like, but I think they move around a bit too much. Because I mean, the drop beads have this tapered shape, and so they will form this nice shape. See this one, because of the shape of the drop beads. But the 8/0s do not have that shape, so they will just stay a bit like that. So yeah, let's make another connection here. With the same 8/0, matte, shiny, 3 matte, 1 shiny, and 1 matte. And just like before, I'm going to go around and skip the shiny seed bead. Okay, I'm going to reach the 4 mm here. Ooh. And we'll pick up 111/0 and go through the 3 8/0s. See? And then I'm exiting from the 8/0 and we'll go directly through the 4 mm. Okay, so this is how it looks. It doesn't change too much. Let me put this aside and see how they look side by side. See? Even length-wise, they do not change very much. So, yeah. Okay, so I hope you like this solution. And yeah, thank you for being here again. And please remember to check the description of the video to find the link for the full tutorial. Okay, I will see you with the next tutorial. Bye bye.